For this activity we require drawing book, crayon box, black sketch pen, pencil and eraser. So children, today I will teach you how to draw pictures from number 3 and number 4. I will draw birds from number 3. Okay. Draw curve, half curve. Again draw half curve. And here from the side draw slanting line like this. Draw tail like this. Now I will draw bird's beak. Draw circle for its eyes. So our bird is ready. Now I will draw kite from number 4. Slanting line, sleeping line, standing line. It is number 4. So increase this line like this. From this side also. You can draw circle inside like this. Half circle. Now I am using black sketch pen to make it dark. Now I am using yellow color for bird. Here I am using red color. For its beak also I am using red color. For kite drawing I am using purple color and pink color. Draw outline. And color it. Purple color. So children, have you understood how to draw bird and kite from numbers? Okay, bye bye.